Welcome to KLC's new Parent Portal. On your browser, type in parent.klc.lk. Type in the mobile number you registered with us. In the password box, type the password you set up when your account was created. New visitor, call your branch to set up your password in under a minute. We never set passwords for you or ask you to share them. Once you're done, click Sign In. Quick tip: save the Parent Portal on your phone for easy access. Select Add to Home Screen, then select Install. Save it to your desired location. Find all your children in one spot. Switch profiles in just one click. Your progress report, your term at a glance. View all your overall results in just one place. 95% is the KLC standard. Below it, just try again. You get to try again once, so make sure to do your best. Be careful when repeating your test, because your newest score replaces the old one, even if it's lower. Chart View, your whole journey. Overlook your progress and scores. The Fee Schedule tab shows everything about your fees in one place. See what's been paid, what's overdue, and what's coming up. Your timetable is right here. Never miss a class. WhatsApp notifications are sent straight to your phone. Get important updates and reminders. This portal does not include having to download or install any software. You just need a phone or a computer.